This is a video review of the Navigator Management Account Suite. The Navigator Management Account Suite is built in Excel. It's a full Excel application. It doesn't require Navigator to be installed on the PC, and as again it uses our Engage 360 technology to dive into Navigator to pull in the accounts figure at the end of each month and then format that. So it gives us a good bit of the facility to import the data, which dives back into Navigator. We can see it doing it, and it will then pull that in, reformat that out into the system. So it's pulling the trial balance into the system, and the whole basis of this spreadsheet is to reformat the information into here and map it through. You can see it actually doing it, mapping through all the different departments, mapping them to all the different sheets in there, recalculating it out. And it checks that when we've mapped it all and we've got everything reported that everything does match, which it does. It will what it gives us is a whole load of statistics. So we've got some statistics of units, but we've also got a summary by location. So if you've got multiple locations, it'll be multiple sheets, one for each location, and then a summary for the whole group. And we summarise sort of vehicle retail, so by sales category. In this one, this is a dealership with retail, fleet, motability, sales and gross of vehicles. It will show us our parts sales, our service sales, body shop sales, whatever we've got, we can have sheets for that. And that will then give us that. And it will then sort of get a breakdown for everyone. So there's new vehicles, we can see that in there. Every sheet, we can have the actual figures for the month, the budget for the month. There's no budgets on this example here. The previous year, if we've got it, obviously you have to be running more than a year to get any figures there. And then for the year to date, we can see the actual on this side, how many units, how many sales, what the gross profit is, profit per unit, etc, etc. And that runs the right way through. The theme is exactly the same. Once we've got our sales, we've got our direct costs, so bonuses, commission, etc. And then obviously things like salesmen's salaries, in case this is a vehicle system, stocking charges, etc, etc, etc. We can do that right the way through. So used vehicles is the same. So exactly, parts over the counter, workshop parts, warranty parts, both of particular franchises and non-franchises. You can analyse exactly as you need to. So if you want to change this, you can just change it, change the category. The concept is very, very simple. Every cell has exactly the same formula in it, so they're just copies. And what's driving it is obviously the description. And then here at the front is the mapping table that it belongs to, and that is then mapped on a reference table, which is referencing all the nominal codes to where they go on the spreadsheet. So we can move things around very, very quickly, very, very easily. The spreadsheets that are provided standard from Navigator have 99% of it done for you, and you can then change that. You can see here indirects, for example. And obviously then the balance sheets to balance it all out, so we can see the the fixed assets, etc, all built through there, and it all should in the end balance it up. And then the budgets, you can enter the budgets directly onto the spreadsheets. That hopefully gives you a good review of what you can do. You can print these out straight from here, so the printed version will print a formatted version of the spreadsheet out. So, and you can choose which are active sheets on here just by putting them in there. If you want to re-import another month, you can literally just change and say, well, what was month 6, for example, and re-import that data, and it'll recalculate a previous month without any problems at all. Thanks for watching.